sometimes there's more than just one issue, or even two. Sometimes there's three issues that we uncover during no heat service calls. Enjoy the video. All right, so far so good. Let's see what it does. Vent damper is opening. Gas valve clicked on. Let's see what's going on in there. All right, let's take a closer look under the hood here. A bunch of wires are burnt on the rollout switch, and possibly because no one put the plate back on with the screws that were there. One there and one over there. And yeah, I'm adventurous.
Do you need me to try to get my mounds of laundry out?
No, it's fine. I like it how you have the laundry behind a baby gate, or behind the, what's his name again? Odin, the Odin gate.
That's exactly what that
He
is.
could probably eat that in like 5 seconds.
He will certainly try, and he will first make himself comfortable and like nest in it.
All right, let's see. Now, we just got some burnt wires here. Not a big deal, but we'll have to replace that, and hopefully that's still good. I heard the click of the gas valve. We don't have a pilot, so we'll have to relight the pilot. Maybe replace the thermocouple. Not too shabby. All right. Let's try to light this pilot. Okay. All right, got a nice good pilot flame there. New thermocouples installed. Nice blue flame on that pilot burner. Let's see, it's been about 15 seconds. Too short. Spoke too soon. All right, take two. Usually takes about a minute. Usually. And then I gotta do something with this wire. Yeah, we'll figure that out next. All right, the pilot's not remaining lit, so unfortunately we're gonna have to replace this gas valve. What's interesting about this gas valve is a union there and a union there. Power's off. Let's remove the 24-volt wiring to that. Let's remove the thermocouple I just installed and the gas pilot. Okay. Oh, you're being stubborn. Stop being so stubborn. I wonder if maybe the heat affected it from the cover that was left off. All right, 1/2 inch in, 1/2 inch out. Easy peasy. That was not fun. That street 90 did not want to come out when they put that in, and they put that in to never come out. But I got it in. Let's pray. There it is. Sweet. All right, I didn't have thinner gauge wire. I had thermostat wire, which I wasn't going to use. And I had some wire. I think this is 14 gauge wire. It is what it is. It works and it's clean. And let's put this to on. Let's see what happens. The damper is cycling. All right, now it's opening. hopefully we're good. Let's wait for it. Voila. Houston, we have ignition. What's going on with this? Amateurs. 3-inch exhaust pipe on the 40,000 BTU gas appliance. Yep, that makes perfect sense, right? All right, we're burning. Nicey nice. All right, so we have the second floor circulating. First floor is not. And that circulator is blazing hot. That one's relatively warm or cool. And that one blazing hot, and nothing there, circulating there. It's getting power. Both zones are on, but not circulating. You could see the second floor return, first floor return. Or am I wrong there? Yeah, that's warm. That's cool. So there's that one. There's that one. And look how hot the head is of the motor. To replace that, we'll put in an ECM Taco. Gave the customer a price, they're thinking about it. So until then, I'm done. All right, hot. I had to purge the second floor again. I wasn't touching the boiler pressure reducing valve because I got a feeling when I touch that to force manually feed more water in it, it's gonna start leaking. And the guy wasn't happy about replacing the circulator. He's not gonna be happy about replacing the pressure reducing valve when it starts to leak after I touch it, of course. So I slowly let air out and purged, closing this valve and closing the first floor, and then slowly cracking this with this open, forcing water through the supply and then back to the boiler. My combustion analysis, yeah, she's burning up. She's a hot boiler. 540 degrees. Wow. And 80% on the dot. CO2 of 8.46, that's okay. But man, she's hot. She's wasteful. Let's clipboard this and let's escape and let's do draft. Print the results, get paid, and get out of here. And beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Multiple parts replaced to get them up and running 100%. And we verified that the system is running safely by performing a combustion and draft analysis, because we don't guess, we test. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.